Alright, what's up everybody on YouTube? This is Likeabosskey's Airsoft channel. Today, got my cousin here with me. We're about to go play some Airsoft. What's your name?
My name is Austin.
Austin, what's your call sign in Airsoft?
Call sign?
Yeah.
The Beast.
The Beast. Alright, you heard it right there. Let's get out on the field. Alright, so Austin's gonna run high. We're about to get this started. Got my WE. So I got my WE. M4A180. Working like an idiot. Alright. Okay! 3, 2, 1, go! A little 1v1.
time again I tell myself that you no good. Bad for my health and I can't help myself, it's understood. Poison but I love it. Kill me softly with these lips I'm touching. Lust and love it, nothing but disgust from no one is. Temporary, something's gotta give. Let me go and let me live. Holding on to what I thought I knew, but no, I ain't no it's. Time I notice and just wake up from this dream, or just go deeper. Reality ain't really what it seems. So please don't wake me up. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. So please don't wake me up. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. So let me sleep. I'll die if I wake, but I'm already dead. How much more can I take? Nightmare. Nightmare. So here we go again. It seems like nothing's changed except for you. And you know me, I've always been the same. I'm done playing your games. This time it's over. Hit reset, but why can't I seem to put down the controller? You're everything I hate, the reason I hate to love. Still love the way you lie, truth I can't get enough. So let me dream fast asleep, though it ain't quite fair. Rather be lost in this thing I'm calling a nightmare. Nightmare.
It was right in front of your face.
So please don't wake me up. Please don't wake me from this.
Find it.
I gotta check it. Don't. Say goodbye to her. Look at. It's on safety.
If you were to shoot me like that, I'd smack you.
Are you recording this crap?
I am, because Jack requested it.
You're supposed to do commentary when you're
So
watching
Lucas
videos.
hit this thing
Usually.
up there.
I'll
And
show you. I will
walked
show
by
you.
it like 3 times.
Yeah, both of you did.
I kicked through the door like a maniac.
Did you get that? Did you get that?
I did.
You run away like a sissy.
What?
Let's see it. Stop it.
Yeah.
I got from the beginning to the end.
Okay,
I was recording the whole time.
Reenactment. All right, Austin. Reenactment time.
Slow motion?
Yeah, but no BBs.
Fine.
What?
No promises.
No BBs, please.
Where's the chickens? I'm afraid they're gonna like.
The chickens are in the backyard.
Okay. They left the door open.
Put it on safe. Put your gun on safe. We're doing a reenactment. Seriously, Austin.
Was paddle this way. Red up.
There. I walked past it like 3 times.
Yep.
So I'm over here looking, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, Lucas, you're not wearing eye protection.
He's not shooting, is he?
Look, Austin just kicks the door down, and like shoots me like 3 times. And I'm pretty sure Lucas ran away like a sissy, so you probably didn't get that.
I got him exiting.
Huh?
I got him like kicking the door.
That was pretty scary.
Yeah, it was. I was like, oh god.
Turned around, and I was like, oh.
Did you
crap.
see me over here when you came over in the corner and you were shooting? I was like, ah.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I am
Lift
recording.
it up, dude. All right, next round.
Whoa.
Austin, you're over there. Fine. I'm over here.
I don't want
And
to film
it's
this
gonna be a
round.
short round.
Years in the future.
No. No.
One shot.
No.
Two.
No.
Yes.
No. Hit.
Not that bad.
You're wearing a leather jacket though, so it doesn't hurt.
Yeah, but
No.
think about that. Did you
Here,
get that
now
though?
we're shooting, it'll hurt.
No.
Did
No.
you catch that?
Kind of. Yeah, I did actually.
Did it hurt you?
No.
That's what I
Just
thought.
bounced off.
Because you got like, I hit right there.
Good projective thing again?
No, because you
That's
guys
fine.
were terrible at it.
Do it. I didn't want puppies. He hit it pretty bad, okay?
I didn't hit it
Really?
badly. I hit it
I feel
well.
really stupid about that. I wasn't looking up.
I don't know. What do you think,
stood
Austin?
there for a long time talking, and I was just sitting there for a long
I
time.
gave you too
Yeah, I
many
like how you
hints.
stood there for a
I gave you way too many hints, and you guys still didn't find
he
it.
said up high, and I was like,
Oh, you got
I
hints
said
too?
up
Okay,
high.
good. I asked her for hints as well.
Yeah, you
I
guys were
looked at it, I
so
was like-
confused. It was like trying to help little kids solve a puzzle.